Welcome to the city of Accra, a beautiful place with diverse lifestyles. For nature lovers, parks are rare. However, restaurants are the best to hang out for many of us. In this eco backpacking episode, I will be plugging you with 3 nature-inspired restaurants you can hang out at in this hot city sometimes. I chose them based on their name, their environment, and their contribution to sustainability and eco-friendliness.
So hello, welcome to How Moment. Okay, this is one of the nature-inspired restaurants that I chose, and we are going to take off based on the list that I provided earlier, like I said. So based on the name, nature-inspired, the environment, nature-inspired, the food is supposed to be organic. So yes, that is why we are here. Let's eat. Yeah. So food taste test. This is really organic. The packaging tick. And you know what we love on this campaign, right? Sustainable packaging, eco-friendly packaging. The glass and the paper straw does it. Served on this beautiful plate. Yeah. I'll definitely come back here again. I'm very happy. And today I'm not working from the house. I wanted to step outside as a remote worker and work. And this is one of the most serene places that I think I can work at, because I don't want to be bossed inside whilst I'm working. So if you are in Accra, this is one place you can enjoy. Okay. So we just got done at Town Moment, alright, for breakfast. So we are trying another place for lunch, and then we also try another place for brunch-ish, dinner-ish kind. Okay. So I really love my breakfast experience there, and I'm hoping that I also love the lunch experience. So let's go enjoy Accra's nature, right? Lunch, dinner. So if you want, how do you call it? Brunch style, dinner style kind of vibe, here is the place. One of the nature-inspired restaurants that I visited today is Treehouse in Osu for lunch. I really loved my food. That was the first time I was trying chicken fillet for the first time in my life. Yes, their name lived up to expectation. The space is really nature-inspired, all right? And I think packaging cool, food choices close to nature, juices and things. So yeah, Thank you very much. Let's go to the next stop. That is Zen Gardens. Let's go. The driver is seen.
Zen Gardens, like the first two restaurants, are known for their evening vibes. During the day, the places look chill. Here, I concentrated more on dessert and had myself a chocolate milkshake. However, I tasted the jollof of the man behind the camera and it was good. The environment was filled with trees and they passed the check to being eco-friendly to a certain level. So, I'll definitely return and see ya!